A simple example on the combined use of map and zip could be a way of calculating the element-wise maximum among sequences. That is the maximum of the first element of each sequence, then the maximum of the second one, and so on. So let's create a new file called maxims this.py. I'm gonna create 3 lists: A, B, C. Okay, A, B, C. In A, I wanna say 5, 9, 2, 4, and 7. Then in the B list, I wanna say 3, 7, and 1, 9, and 2. Then 6, 8, 0, 5, and 3. Okay, this is a mistake here. Just correct and just fix it. And then what I say, max equal to map lambda. Okay, lambda n max n, and then zip. Okay, A, B, and C, like this. Let's print a list of max. Okay, and let's see how it works. Maxims. Okay, of course you know now that zip is grouping the first index of each list, no? 5, 3, 6, then 9, 7, 8, 2, 1, 0, 4, 9, 5, 7, 2, 3. Okay, then it's calculating the maximum of this group, of each group. Okay, that's the way you obtain in every single index the maximum of each one: 6, 9, 2, 9, and 7. And also notice how easy it's to calculate the max values of 3 sequences. Zip is not strictly needed, of course. We could use map. Sometimes it's hard when showing a simple example. To grasp why using a technique might be good or bad, we forget that we aren't always in control of the source code. We might have to use third-party libraries, which we can change the way we want. Having different ways to work with data is therefore really helpful. Now let's continue with filters. Okay. According to Python documentation, filter, function, iterable, is a construct. Filters construct an iterator from those elements of iterable for which function returns. Filter, function, iterable construct an iterator from those elements of iterable for which function returns true. Iterable might be either a sequence, a container with supposed iterations, or an iterator. If function is known, the identity function is assumed. That is, all elements of iterable that are false are removed. So let's create a new file in order to see a quick example called filter.py. Okay. I wanna close the previous file, and then let's say test equal to a list of 2, 5, 8, 0, 0, and 1 and 0. Then I wanna print a list, or just print filter none test. Okay, if you print this one, you will obtain something like filter something, an object. So we need a list in order to see what is returning, what is saving. Okay, something like this. And now you will see 2, 5, 8, and 5. No, I'm sorry, 2, 5, 8, and 1. Okay. You should practice with a previous knowledge. For example, with a filter with a lambda. Okay, where x and then tests, something like this, and you will obtain the same. If you wanna filter values that are higher than 4, you could say here x higher than 4. Okay, in this case you will obtain 5 and 8.